You're hosting your monthly homeowners association meeting, and of course you would like to fix something really quick and delicious. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With Beef and Cheese Sloppy Joe Bake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the cheese sauce. Let's prepare the ground beef. Time to make the filling. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 25 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Historians believe that sloppy joes originated in Havana, Cuba in 1917 by a bar owner named Jose Sloppy Joe Otero. Sandwiches were filled with ground beef stewed in tomato. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this beef and cheese sloppy joe bake on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the ground beef and cheese is a great combination, and of course, the Crescent crust is crispy and tender and creates a great spin on a sloppy joe. Your guests are absolutely going to love it. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like the table's ready for your association members. Stay with us, watch the next video.